You can actually delete your TikTok Business Center account. I came across a Reddit post where someone was dealing with the exact issue. They had a duplicate Business Center account and wanted to delete it because it had become a hassle for their company. They turned to Reddit for help, but the replies were not very encouraging. In fact, one user asked if the issue was ever resolved, and the original poster responded with, "No, it is not possible at all." And that is a short answer. That said, there is a potential workaround. You can try reaching out the TikTok directly, either through their support lines or by sending an email. While it is not guaranteed their team may be able to help you resolve the issue, especially if you are dealing with duplicate accounts or management problems. As of now, though, there is no built in way to delete a TikTok Business Center account yourself. Hopefully, TikTok will introduce this option in the future. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.